a new era in aerospace innovation. At a recent air show in China, engineers unveiled a groundbreaking sixth-generation aerospace fighter jet named White Emperor. Developed by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, this cutting-edge aircraft is a marvel of modern engineering. Designed as a comprehensive aerospace fighter, the White Emperor boasts capabilities that include achieving supersonic speeds and even exiting Earth's atmosphere when necessary. Built for versatility, its modular fuselage enables adaptation to a variety of combat missions, while expanded internal missile bays enhance stealth and combat performance. With angular surfaces optimized for reduced radar reflectivity, the design underscores a focus on stealth and tactical superiority. The White Emperor project is part of the Nonanmen Scientific and Educational Initiative, a program focused on pioneering future technologies. Advancements in unmanned cargo aircraft. In August 2024, China successfully conducted the maiden flight of its latest unmanned cargo aircraft at Fangming Airport in Sichuan Province. Developed by Sichuan Tangan Technology (CTD), this twin-engine aircraft is designed for efficient cargo transportation. With a payload capacity of up to 2 metric tons, it is the largest unmanned cargo aircraft in China. Its design emphasizes ease of loading, reliability, safety, and automation, making it ideal for transporting goods to remote or hard-to-reach areas. This successful test underscores China's advancements in unmanned aviation technology, solidifying its position as a leader in this innovative sector. Leonardo's revolutionary AW609 Tiltrotor. The Italian company, Leonardo, recently achieved a milestone with its AW609 Tiltrotor. This groundbreaking aircraft completed its first takeoff and landing on an aircraft carrier, demonstrating a unique blend of helicopter maneuverability and airplane speed. The AW609, the world's first certified commercial tiltrotor, can take off and land vertically like a helicopter while reaching speeds of 500 kilometers per hour and covering distances over 1,300 kilometers. With its versatile design, it supports a range of missions, from military operations and search and rescue efforts to medical evacuation and border patrol. Capable of carrying up to 9 passengers or specialized equipment, the AW609 is a game-changer for operations in challenging environments. Boeing Phantom I, the hydrogen-powered UAV. Boeing's Phantom I unmanned aerial vehicle is a high-tech innovation capable of operating at altitudes up to 19,826 meters. With a wingspan of 46 meters, it is powered by 2 hydrogen-adapted internal combustion engines. The Phantom I can reach speeds of 278 kilometers per hour and carry a payload of up to 204 kilograms, ideal for precision reconnaissance and communication missions. This environmentally friendly UAV represents Boeing's commitment to advancing sustainable aviation technologies. Japan's K-Racer X, 2 cargo drone Japanese engineers at Kawasaki have developed the K-Racer X2, a next-generation cargo drone designed to tackle transportation challenges in remote areas. With a main rotor diameter of 7 meters and a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms, it is capable of transporting essential supplies to mountainous regions or emergency zones. The drone runs on high-octane gasoline and boasts a flight range of 100 kilometers with over an hour of operational time. During tests at the Fukushima Robot Test Field, the K-Racer X2 successfully demonstrated its reliability, making it a promising solution for logistics in inaccessible locations. U.S. Supersonic Innovations. The United States is making bold strides in supersonic aviation. Companies like Hermeus are developing the Quarterhorse, an aircraft capable of reaching speeds up to 6,125 kilometers per hour, 5 times the speed of sound. With $60 million in funding from the U.S. Air Force, the Quarterhorse could set new records for speed and efficiency. Additionally, NASA and Lockheed Martin unveiled the X-59 QueSST, an experimental supersonic aircraft designed to reduce the disruptive sonic boom. Flying at speeds of 1,480 kilometers per hour, the X-59 could pave the way for commercial supersonic flights over land, transforming the future of air travel. Electric aviation takes flight. In January 2024, the U.S. Air Force concluded a 3-month testing cycle for the Alya, a fully electric aircraft developed by Beta Technologies. Conducted at Duke Field in Florida, the tests showcased advancements in environmentally friendly aviation. The Alya is equipped for cargo transport, passenger travel, and medical evacuation, offering a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to traditional aircraft. Beta Technologies' flagship project marks a significant step toward greener aviation solutions. Quiet supersonic flight. In January 2023, NASA and Lockheed Martin's X-59 QueSST was unveiled as part of NASA's QueSST mission. This supersonic aircraft, nearly 30 meters long, features a sleek, sharp nose and innovative noise reduction technologies. Capable of flying at speeds of 1,488 kilometers per hour, the X-59 is designed to minimize ground-level noise, potentially revolutionizing international aviation regulations and allowing for the return of supersonic flights over land. Which innovation caught your attention the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to BioInfo, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates on cutting-edge technologies. See you next time.